Truth reveal, everybody them a learn it. Wire, we need permit. Them better know.
Them give a reasonable, them have some reasonable package. You see me I say where you can work with, just go check out FAIMhub and them response for Rytrust Vyrous career. You see me I say, so I can tell you no joke thing. Check out FAIMhub, them do promotion, them do flyer, them do a host of things. It's a one-stop shop for independent artists. You see me I say, so just check it out and remember me tell you, you're not going to regret it. You're not going to love it. So that's my message to upcoming entertainers. And remember, love what you do and do what you love. Yeah, man. Right.
FAIMhub Promotions, the one-stop shop for independent artists showcasing and promotion. FAIMhub.com is Jamaican's premium promotion platform for independent reggae and dancehall artists. Yeah man, get all your promo materials in one spot, from promo flyers and posters to social media banners, photo edits, blog write-up features, artist reviews, song reviews, album reviews, podcast album preview, sneak peek promo videos, lyric and official music videos, plus much more. Visit FAIMhub.com today and get your FAIM game on. FAIMhub.com, the one-stop shop for independent Jamaican artists. Freedom artists in motion. For artists, by artists.
The protest we need permit. So if you get on this vote, you better earn it. To reveal, everybody them a learn it. Get them out and the government no work it. We a go sit them out like rubbish. FAIM drop the one and we see them get panic all over the world.
Alright, so freedom of speech and the story behind the collaboration. Really and truly, so basically Tafari Watkis was basically working on the track like before we even come up with the idea to even do the collab. You know what I mean? The rhythm was sent to me and fit the song on the rhythm on a demo and send it back. The song did the shorter one verse and the management reached out to me, tell me say we need a verse, and me did start to write a verse, but to me the verse I did write never did add up, so I just get the idea because I listen to Tafari Watkis music and him have a nice vibration when I like him energy and I like him vibe, so reach out to management and I say ask management if it's possible for me get a 8 bars from Tafari on the track, and I was lucky enough that Tafari did so love the track, so him agree to come on the track, jump on the track, and wife they come jump on the track, and the rest of it was history because we didn't like maybe 2 days. Him send FAIM verse and I listened it and it was a bomb. It helped to sell off the song, so that's basically the story. That's basically the story behind it, behind the whole thing there still. But I respect that what I'm doing for me because it kinda help you know, bring a vibe and bring unity in the music, and I mean kinda widen my fan base also as a upcoming artist, you know, because it is already established and stuff like that. So I respect that.
Yeah. Well, this collaboration now with I and Rytrust Vyrous, it almost was meant to be, you know what I mean? It's like say 2 artists in the same camp. It almost meant to be that them things that will take place. So it was a thing where the artist I finish up him song and you know management reach out to I and you know ask if I could put in a verse on the tune, because you know the artist did have a verse still, but you know himself never feel like you know it is strong enough. So I must say, well then why him like the energy where I and I bring forward. So I wonder if we could do a little collaboration and thing. So you don't know. I want tree in ICM camp and nothing. So I say, yeah man, definitely. So, you know, we link up and deal with the collaboration. We'll give me jump in and jump in a verse. And yeah, the rest of those history as man say, you know. Yes, I am. And I just want them things there. But differently still, you know, we as artists, upcoming or out there already, you know, it's like we need to start live up to the things that we say we live by. We should, you know, we need to manifest them in a real reality. And what I mean by that is, a lot of artists or a lot of man might say, boy, yeah man, we can do a collab. Or, yeah man, we could do something. But I just talk. You know, it's like, we need to re-open. It's like the gate closed upon togetherness in the reggae industry. And we need to open it back. You know, bring it back to the days when Bob and, you know, man like Dennis Brown and man like Jacob Miller and Gregory and everybody, you know, the man Barris, Freddie McGregor, you name it, John Holt, list goes on. The man, them work together. They've been singing each other's songs, performing each other's songs, singing with each other. And it's, you know, it just was an airy vibration. It seemed like the talk of today artists whereby the man them not unified no more, and you know we're not seeing no collaboration, and you know we need to live by them things that we govern ourselves by, you know, which is the peace, love and unity kind of thing. We'll find nowadays man at the same camp and not do nothing together, so it's like wait, what go on, you know. So yeah, we have to break down them barriers and build back bridges so we can meet each other halfway, or you know me I say, we can get to our next level. So we just take it to the next heights. Simple as that. Tafari Watkis, Rytrust Vyrous. How more time we are troubling man, I say, yo Virus, how kind of virus you be? And I say, no man, I the Rytrust Vyrous, you know, so we have to just leave it. Yeah. Yeah man, so you don't know.
Give thanks again to management. Always have to big up FAIM, Freedom Artists in Motion. Nah, stop digging up. Black Lions, nah, stop digging up. Love, you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, so the video now. The video is our next thing to talk about. The video is like myself watch the video like so many times because me like the fire where the video push. Because alright. Me as a person like this, me believe in putting out the truth out there. Me no compromise. You see me? I say me no compromise when it come on to the truth. Me no compromise. No matter what, me no compromise. Me personally feel say, and the team when me I work with, that's why I love my team so much. You see me? I say we know say the truth cannot be compromised. So when we have put out the truth, we have to put out the truth. In fact, you see me? I say we cannot push out the truth and hold back. You see me? I say so. We just hit them man with a straight left, straight right, uppercut. Boom.
Yeah. Yeah man, so you don't know. Just say it loud. 15 minutes of fame. Big up on yourself when you don't know the thing. Set. Yeah, we're there. And I just saw it's like from the collaboration start, you know, say it's an endless chain of working together. And here comes the video. Yeah, so I just saw the thing set. Yeah, man, the video out. Make sure you go check it out. See? Rytrust Vyrous featuring Tafari Watkis. Track called Freedom of Speech.
Yeah, man, so the video highlight a lot of things. The video have a lot of fire and it have burn and we just want the fan them now for just make it go viral. All of my supporters, me just want to know just go up on the YouTube channel, Rytrust Vyrous Music, and just make it go viral. Go up on FAIM channel upon YouTube, same way, and just make it go viral. You see me I say, and it a go there some more places. You know, I get the link them, just follow me on Instagram, and we get the link them on Instagram. Rytrust underscore virus or Rytrust Vyrous underscore official music on Instagram. And the same thing for TikTok, my people. So follow me, please follow me, and we get everything we are going. Yeah.
And you don't know, we have to big up all of the people them who've been supporting us along the way. Not to mention management and staff. You don't know, FAIM big up on yourself. You don't know the thing set. Freedom Artists in Motion. And you know, say, Black Lion, we there, strong as ever. You don't know, House of Joy Creation. Are the whole settings, man. You know the thing.
Don't forget to check me out on Facebook, Rytrust Vyrous. As I say, yeah man, we there all about. And you don't know, as me say, freedom of speech featuring Tafari Watkis is available on all major platforms. You can get no copy. As I say, whether it be iTunes, Apple Music, Deezer, Amazon, Spotify, go get no copy. Just get no copy. Right? If you don't know in there, that means you know out there. And in this year back here, we have to be in there. Because we now go drop out. As I say, in there. Right? Rytrust Vyrous, man. You don't know a thing. As I say. And give thanks again to the whole team. When I work with the team, we work with me, you don't know, we are one. As I say, we're not separate. We might be in a different place, but we are one. So give thanks to if you really bring me on a journey, and me appreciate it. And FAIM, FAIM, big up on yourself, big up on your damn self. You know, say yo, you have been doing the work. Black Lions, the same thing. You have been doing the work. So big up on your damn self. You know, say Rytrust Vyrous, I represent always the FAIM. You see me, I say, I'm my brand. Them fi know, and I'm a guy brand. My brand. That's it.
So we're there, and we're looking forward to do some more things. And it's a good vibration. The video is awesome, nice. You don't know, we believe in a self-reliance and doing things for ourselves and growing and changing ourselves and changing our circle, and let that expand and grow to the next heights. And things will manifest from there on. So we do our own thing, and we're creating our own things. We're being creative in our own perspective, in them sense. So we give thanks to the support. Seeing, you don't know, Tafari Watkis tuning out. Yes, I.
And I want to say overall, big up FAIM Radio also 76.1. You see me, I say, big up Just Say It Loud for having me on this 15 minutes of FAIM. You don't know, say, we love it, and this a shine a light on young artists. We are trying to make an impact in the industry. So we give thanks to the moment, and trust me, we not going to reach far, because a lot of people now do these things, and what we not do, people are go like to see it. So continue doing the good works. Rytrust Vyrous I represent. Just say it loud. Enough love. Yeah man, 15 minutes of FAIM. Rytrust Vyrous. I'm out. Peace.
My buddy. My buddy.
Trample the dragon and the beast. Then me dash a fire upon corruptive police, yo. The constitutional rights them go breach. Political leaders sell we out and miss it now. We no got no more freedom of speech. When we talk up the government send police now. Them a chat bout hope in a the jeep. So right now every truth a reveal. Them say, to protest we need permit. So forget that. Everybody them a learn it. Get them out. The government no root it. We a go rip them out like rubbish. FAIM drop the one ya me see them get panic. All over the world people astonished. With them cheap poor people make me sick one vomit. Yo then, them mind dirty, them heart no clean. From the